Israel-Gaza latest, hundreds of thousands of people gathering for pro-Palestinian march, missiles thrown at police by counter-protesters. Fighting broke out as right-wing counter-protesters chanting England till El Die attempted to reach the Cenotaph in London. It comes as hundreds of thousands of demonstrators gather in the capital to call for a ceasefire in Israel's war against Palestinian militant group Hamas Jews against genocide. Police officers are standing sentry next to a war memorial on Grosvenor Gardens with stewards urging participants to keep to the left and continue down Lower Grosvenor Place. In the crowd, one sign says Jews against genocide. Our grief will not be weaponized. Some people are wearing white poppies, a few are carrying olive branches. Chants include free Palestine, from the river to the sea. Palestine will be free and ceasefire now. Protests reach Mi6 building. Protesters are continuing through London and have now reached the old Mi6 building. The large group is now south of the river and has started walking towards the U.S. Embassy. The police have reported no incidents related to this protest so far. A line of police attempted to stop them from reaching Whitehall, but the group pushed through, with some shouting "Let's have them" as officers hit out with batons. The group appears to have reached Whitehall where the Cenotaph is situated. Many more are pushing through, shouting "Forward!" Updates continue below. Protests reach Mi6 building. Chinatown clash. Far-right protesters throw bottles and missiles at police. Police officers have been met with violence and abuse by counter-protesters, the Met Police has said. Sharing footage of the moment officers came face-to-face with an angry group in Chinatown, the force said, "We will respond robustly to unacceptable aggression and disorder."